Hi, this is a quick review of Yato socket sets. It's 216 pieces. I had this for a while, and I was working mainly on old cars, and the previous set, which I get from Halsfords, I had problem to undo all the rusty nuts and bolts. The Halsfords-one it's rounded off quite often. With this set I haven't got this problem, because it's got 8 surfaces instead of 16, and very nice ratchets, which works much better than the Halsfords-one. So yeah, my main thing, ratchets and sockets are better one than in Halsfords. Only thing which is much better in Halsfords set, which I returned, they were spanners. Here we got good spanners, but in Halsfords-one you had spanner ratchets, so with that moving parts. Here you got actually more spanners with this set, but they are normal spanners. The long sockets are very nice. Those bits, I'm not using those quite. I actually got separate screwdrivers, and so from this set I'm using only sockets and ratchets. But it was good buy. It cost me about 125 pounds. I remember that it was the same price as I paid for Halsfords-one. And don't forget to put that foam back, otherwise each time you're gonna open that, all those sockets and spanners, they're gonna fall. So it's good to keep that foam in. Yeah, thanks for watching, bye.